This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. Green candle momentum has continued after yesterday. Essentially, yesterday, what ended up happening to us is I think our nerves got the better of us. The market opened up down, sort of recovered that, and stayed more or less flat or range bound through the day. But as the market was moving upwards and respecting this trend line, we ended up getting nervous and decided to close our positions early. So around this candle, around 11:15, 11:30, I ended up selling a call, and when that call stop loss was hit, that's when we were thinking that the market will continue moving upwards because it had broken the previous day's high as well. So then I shorted a put as well, and then the market came down and that put's stop loss was also hit. But by that time we had closed most of our positions and booked a slight loss in the last accounts. Overall, if we didn't do much, or we kind of didn't take action here and sort of stayed the course, I'm sure we would have ended up the week in profit because there was a lot of premium that was left for us. But just goes to show that in spite of having the skill and knowledge, sometimes what's also needed is a little more courage to continue what we think is the market trend and stay with it. Um, but after a long week, sometimes we tend to give up and book on small losses which are manageable, then try and be fight the market, and if it goes haywire, we can be in a real big trouble, because I think yesterday we were covered only till about 36,650 also. But coming to today, Friday is a new week. This trend line is can be adjusted like this. Market still looking slightly up, but with news of the new the new coronavirus variant, we don't know how the market will react. We've got a zone at 36,700. We have a small zone around here as well. Sorry, 36,600 or so. We've got a small support zone as well. So I think that might be interesting to see how the market will react to those levels. Um, I'm making the video in the morning, so the SGX index is showing slightly negative, so the market may correct a little bit. But I think these two are big ranges. 36,000 seems to be this psychological support. We've got a couple of swings that look like they've been happening around here. So these are levels that we would look at. It's only the beginning of the week. We have a family wedding, so next week we won't be trading too much. So the objective will be whatever we do, we'll try and take positions, close them, and then try and figure out what we can do for the remaining of the